Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is the reading for whosoever required. These are the urgent messages which I need to deliver. Usually I don't make these videos like this, but today I was sitting and I just got the message that I have to make a video and I have to use these decks. I do not know who is requiring these messages, but this message is important for someone in the world. I do not know who require these messages, but I hope it will help you out in some manner. And if it help you out, so thank you so much. I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. If it resonates with you, take it. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever require. These are the urgent messages. Usually I don't do these kind of messages, but today I got this message. Like my intuition was saying that do this video, do this video, do this video. So here I am doing this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever require. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to them. Sacrifice. Okay. Any action that is not performed as sacrifice to God is a source of bondage to the material world. Therefore, carry out your prescribed duties as a sacrifice, remaining untouched to results. So you have to sacrifice here something. Let's see more. The destroyer. I am death, destroyer of all. I am the source of all things yet to be of woman. I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. So for all the females there, this is the card which is trying to tell you that this is the fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. This is a card for them. You have to make a sacrifice in your life. Perform your duties which you need to perform daily here. Okay. Determination. With all your determination, I think it is visible for you. So all your determination, you have to perform your duties and the things which you need to perform in daily routine. Okay. And you need to release your false ego. Okay, some of you are having false ego inside of you, so you need to release your false ego. Bewildered spirits, souls under the influence of three modes of material nature think themselves to the door of activities which are in actually carried out by nature. So you need to release your false ego. Okay, release your false ego. Do your duties and responsibility with all with all determination, and do the sacrifice if you think that I need to sacrifice this for my fulfilling your responsibilities without having any attachment. Okay, from the results. Then there is the scared Om. I am the fresh taste of water, the light of the sun, the moon, and I'm scared symbol Om in the Vedic mantras, the sound in ether, and the ability in Mem. So you can chant this scared Om to destroy your false ego. Okay, you can have a meditation of scared Om so that you can get out of this zone of false ego and on. Let's see more. And there is bottom of the deck, I'm having equal vision. Okay, so you have to give equal vision to everyone. Okay, equal give and take. See every human being with an equal vision. All are same, all are at the same human beings from the divine. So the wise, the see your same divine truth in all beings, from the wise and the gentle priest to the cow, the elephant, the dog, even the outcast dog eater. So you have to see everyone from the same vision. That's the message here I'm having. Then there is mode of godness. Beautiful card, beautiful. Happiness is Happiness in the mode of godness maybe in the beginning seems like poison, but at the end it's just like nectar. For it's born out of the peace of self realization. You need to see yourself that you are the mode of godness. Okay, how can you see this is beautiful? This is the Lord Krishna and Radha. They, you have to see yourself that you are the god, you know, you are the god goodness, you are the mood of goodness. Okay, you are here to spread goodness, and happiness is the mode of goodness. Maybe in the beginning you have to see like them like a poison, but in the end it just felt like nectar, for it's born out of the peace of self realization. The more you self realize about yourself that you are here to spread, you know, happiness, the more you will become peace, you will become more satisfied in your daily lives. Then there is rare soul. So you are the rare souls. Okay, of many thousands of men, one will be attempt to reach perfection, and of the few will reach this goal. Only a rare soul will perform know me as I am. So you are the rare soul. For whoever it is, you have to focus on yourself. So these are the messages from this deck. Beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the divine doors. Okay, what does the messages they want to give me? Let's see what are the messages for whosoever it is required. Heart healing. Morning now has had its time. Do not pay it single dim. Emerge from the darkness. A new day starts. Let light embrace the healing heart. So you need to do your healing on the heart chakra. Heart chakra healing is required. So that's the message here for someone. Okay, let's see more. Any other message which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. Deeper. You are not finished. You are not yet done. Dig deeper and deeper. The best is come. Hold on, hold on. So the best is yet to come. Okay, you need to do your heart healing here. You need to do your heart healing, and the better is going to come here. You need to dig deeper and deeper and deeper, because the best is yet to come. Okay, and there is Antony call in the thanks of my spirit, safe and sound, all things that are lost can be found. So all the things that you have lost, that are going to found very soon. You just need to do your heart healing and go inside within yourself, within your soul, and dig deeper as much as you can. So let's see any other message. Bless this space. Your scared space holds the soul to bear. Palo Santo and Sage the will clear the air. So you need to clean the space around yourself. Okay, you need to bless this space wherever you are. You need to clean out that space. Okay, that's the message here. And clean the air. Maybe you have to do your cleaning, so you have to do the cleaning. So clear this space wherever you are. That's the message is here. Let me see any other message. Offerings. Abundance lies in the heart that allows share more than expected, and see loves come around. So you need to share as much as you can. The more you share the love, the more you will receive in return. Okay, so share more than you expected. That is the message here. Thank you so much, spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to everyone, whoever it is required. This is the beautiful message which I am getting. You have to do your heart healing. Okay, do your heart healing. Okay, work on yourself, because you have to, you know, release your false ego. Okay, you have to, through this false ego, you have to release it. You are the rare soul here on this planet earth. You have to see everyone from the equal vision. Okay, and you have to see mode of goodness. Okay, so you have to see everything from a higher perspective. So let's see more messages from here. Nurture. I open my arms and wrap around those that need nurturing, starting with myself. Beautiful message is here. So you need to nurture yourself first. Okay, you need to nurture yourself first rather than nurturing any other person, but you need to nurture yourself first. Then there is love. My heart is open to love as it manifests into the world. Okay, so yes, you need to work on love, and you have to work on the healing of your heart. Okay, so do your heart healing, and you have to say this to yourself, that you are open. Okay, your heart is open to love as it manifests love in its world. So beautiful message is here. And then there is let go. I release the old and embrace the new. I grow into my very best self. So you have to let go anything on which you are holding on. That's why this message is bless this space. Okay, so you have to clean out the clutter, basically clean your space, let go anything on which you are holding on. Okay, so holding on so tightly, you need to release the old and embrace the new, because the transition period is going on. While I sleep, I move from the old to new with great ease. So you are in a transition period, so you need to let go old things, and you have to nurture yourself, because transition period is going on. Let's see one more card, one more message. Any other message? Okay. Higher self. I am ready to communicate with my higher self in my dreams and to become enlightened. So pay attention while you sleep, because maybe you are having some kind of dreams. So you're becoming more higher self. Okay, you are transition, because you here I can say you're becoming, transition period is going on, and you are getting transformed into your higher self here. So because beautiful things are coming towards you, so you are becoming into your higher self. Let's add some healing, daily healing cards. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Give me the messages. To feel your initiate sense of truth, develop open mindedness. Okay, so you need to open your mind so that you can develop beautiful things inside of you. But for that, you need to open up your heart chakra, let go anything if you are holding on. And this is the period of where you have to nurture your own self. Okay, you have to take time to tune into body and recognize the messages it is trying to send you. So your body is trying to give you 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time. So your body is trying to give you some messages which are important for you. So you need to recognize that messages and tune into the messages which the body is trying to give you, as you have to nurture yourself first here. Okay, so you have to nurture yourself first, tune into the body message. Practice speaking positivity about other people and events, and especially about the future. And that's right, that's the law of attraction, that's the manifestation. Whatever you speak, that will manifest into your future, that will manifest into your present. So please try to speak as much as positivity, so that that can be manifest back into your life, into the future also, about the people, about the events, everything, whichever you are. Make gentleness a habit. So you need to make a gentleness a habit. Beautiful message, beautiful message. Let's add one more message. Give me one more message. Okay, thank you. Take 5 or more minutes to concentrate on a divine feeling or a higher thought, doing your best to block out all distractions. Beautiful message. So you have to take 5 or 10 minutes to feel the divine feeling, to have the positive thoughts. See, this is the message here, that you have to practice speaking positivity. So you have to take 5 or more minutes to so that you can become the best version of yourself, and you can block out all the distraction. If you're having any kind of negative thoughts, that distractions, you can get out of from that distractions. So you have to focus on your divine gifts. 1122, no, 1422 was the recording reading time. So yeah, this is the message from this deck, and that's very beautiful. Let's add some tarot, 5 cards from the tarot. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. High Priestess, and that's right. See, High Priestess, use your intuition. Your intuition is trying to give you beautiful messages. Your intuition, because you are very intuitive right now, so your intuition is trying to give you beautiful messages, and you need to work on your intuitions. Okay, just follow your intuitions, and move in a forward direction. Listen to your intuitions. There is Seven of Swords and Five of Wands. So there is someone around you who is trying to give you lying, cheating, manipulation, and there are conflicts which are surrounding yourself. Let me see two more cards. There is someone around you who is trying to give you some kind of small offer. Page of Pentacle is here. So use your intuition. That's why the High Priestess come here, so that you have to use your intuitions. Okay, you have to use your intuitions. Okay, then there is Lovers here. So this is regarding your love life. Maybe right now there is someone around you, there is some person around you who's trying to give you manipulation. Maybe they are playing mind games with you, there are conflicts with you, but they're coming back with you. See, celebration is here, Three of Cups, and there is Page of Cups. And bottom of the deck I'm having Eight of Wands. So communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication through WhatsApp, social media is coming towards you, because they're feeling like an hangman. They're juggling a lot, and they're feeling very sorry about whatever things has happened in the past, and they're coming towards you to give you the offer. Maybe they will message you saying sorry, because apology is indicated here. Okay, so there is some kind of celebration which is coming for you. So this is the message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add one or two messages from this deck. And this is Jagannath, Lord of the Universe. Okay, this is worldly power, devotion to Krishna, freedom from the cycle of birth and death, perfection of arts in the service of gods. Okay, so you have to, one more, Yama, Lord of Death, knowledge of the law. That's the message. You will have the knowledge of the law, righteous in action, overcoming the fear of death, steadfastness in the face of judgment. So you will be able to make the judgment now, and you will overcome the fear of death if you are having it. Okay, and beautiful card for you. I love it. Can you see how this god is sitting in like a position of, like a king, and making the decision. So now you will be make a decision, and there is some kind of judgment. There will be some kind of judgment which is going to happen in your life. So this is the message here, and you will be have more worldly power here with this card. Beautiful message. So that was the messages which I was getting for you, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And sending you lots of love and light and beautiful energies to everyone wherever you are in the world. But beautiful messages are here that you have to let go. This is the transition period, and you are getting transmit into the higher self. Okay, you have to nurture yourself first, and there is love here which is coming for you. You have to do your healing of your heart. Okay, you need to do your heart healing, and you have to go deeper inside of you to know what you are, because best is yet to come. And you have to bless the space. That means you have to clear out your space. Okay, do the cleaning of your space around yourself, do the cleaning of yourself also. That means you have to do your healing and heal the wounds which you are having inside of you. And there is offerings and antennae call, and beautiful messages are here from this deck too. So yeah, beautiful. You are the rare soul. Okay, so know your worth. You have to give equal vision to everyone, whoever they are. See every goodness in everyone. Modes of goodness is here. Then there is sacrifice, determination and false ego. So you have to work on your false ego if you are having it. So these are the messages which I need to deliver, which was urgent SOS messages. Okay, as soon as possible. Messages for whosoever it is required. Take care of yourself and see you soon.